hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Algorand ALGO wallet update, and you can see we had some extreme volatility today. The FOMC meeting, you can see what it did to Algorand there. This is ALGO on the hourly. You can see, we were up here, and after that meeting we just fired right down here. Looks like we found some pretty good support there, so I expect that thing to, nothing is broke either as far as structure goes. Well, I want to show you this though, Bitcoin on the I'm going to break this down, show this to you on the 1 minute here in a second to show you that meeting. I got something super bullish to show you about Bitcoin also here. If you look at this thing on the daily chart, it has formed a inverse head and shoulders, which is super bullish. There's your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder. That's super bullish. So I totally believe that, and Bitcoin has found a bottom. You can see there. I'm going to show you. I want to, because it's pretty crazy when that meeting happened today. Look at this on the 1 minute chart, Bitcoin. Look how this thing, right at 230, we were, I'll show you exactly, I'll break it right down. We were right there at 230. Okay, and look at this 5 waves down we did on the 1 minute. We're always talking about the 5 waves in crypto. You can perfectly see it there. This thing went right down, 5 waves down on the 1 minute chart. 3, 4, 5. You can right there. Isn't that crazy how that thing worked out like that? But Bitcoin has found a bottom and bounced nice down here, right there. It looks like the Dow Jones is still looking for a bottom. The dollar is also really taking a hit. Look at this thing on the 1 minute chart. That FOMC meeting came out up here, and boy, that thing just tanked right down. But it has found support down there and bounced also, but it knocked it down a peg, that's for sure. I got a pretty crazy article here for you on Algorand. Then we're going to take a look at this chart and see what could be going on here in the short term. So look at this. Coinbase suspends Algorand staking rewards. Okay, this just came out just a little bit ago. Crypto exchange Coinbase told its customers on Wednesday that it will no longer offer Algorand rewards as of March 29th. The token will still be available to trade. It says all rewards from the Algorand governance period ending March 31st will be paid in early April. Coinbase works alongside asset issuers to provide rewards and continuously reevaluates our offerings to ensure the best customer experience. We have decided to discontinue Algorand rewards at this time, the Coinbase spokesperson said. Coinbase has acted as service provider for Algorand, connecting the user and the protocol and passing on rewards earned from staking. According to the exchange's website, users can still earn staking rewards from Ethereum, Cosmos, Tezos, Cardano, and Solana blockchains. The move involving Algorand comes as Coinbase's staking service faces questions after crypto exchange Kraken in February agreed to pay $30 million in penalties and shut down its U.S. staking as a service operation to settle U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission charges that it was selling unregistered securities at the time. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler warned other platforms to take note, hinting at possible further investigations into other U.S.-based crypto exchanges. Algo was recently trading at about 22 cents, up 2% in the last 24 hours. And that was before the meeting. This came out at 2:18 today, exactly 12 minutes before the FOMC meeting. So I want to show you this here. This is okay. This is today's 100 cryptos, but look at the hourly. Look at this bounce we're getting out of a lot of the cryptos. You see a lot more green than red out of there. So obviously a lot of these coins had a downturn there at 2:30 at that meeting, but you can see that we have definitely found a bottom here for these things. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. We're going to do that 100 ADA Cardano giveaway next week, last day of the month. All you have to do to be entered is hit the subscribe button. And we're going to do a giveaway every month for the subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. The market cap is down 3.25%. Volume is down 68% over 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance is still up a sliver at 0.29. And the fear and greed indicator got knocked back to a 62. We were at a 68 yesterday. and you can see the biggest winners, the biggest gainers, biggest losers here. Not a whole lot of gainers there. Even all the top trending coins are in the red. So there's your actually recently added tokens and most visited tokens. So let's get a look at that algo chart and see what is going on here. This is on the 4 hour. You can see we found support there. Boy, oh boy, I was hoping we were going to catch that. We were so close to hitting that price target today. We were getting right up there, and as that meeting came out, I thought, oh boy, here we go. I can finally take that off there, but gotta leave it on there till we hit it. So but Algorand got knocked back and pegged. We found good support down here, and that thing is bouncing there. Let's zoom in on a 30-minute chart, and I can show you right where it came down and has bounced now. So we have found support down here. It looks like that's all the deeper this thing's going to go. I expect tomorrow to be a pretty decent day. I really wasn't going to do any videos today, but after I read that Coinbase article and I seen things straightening out a little bit, I thought I might as well get one in here. And this still invalidates nothing. As far as a 5-wave up, we're still fine with that. You know, I expect our 3rd wave. I expect this to continue out here somewhere, you know, or 3, 4, 5. And like I said, like we've been talking, I expect this is all inside of a wave 1, and we'll have to see how this plays out within the next few days here. You know, I knew this was going to mess some stuff up today, or really pump the charts, and it turned out to be. If you look on the right, look at all the red over there. I mean, and a lot of things are just finding bottoms. Got some double-digit losses over there, some single digits, but mostly everything is in the red. So I'll check back with you guys tomorrow after we have some price action, and we'll get back on this chart. So thank you very much, guys. Have a great night.